Hey guys, in this video I will be show you how you can use auto cutout in Photoleap apps. So you can download Photoleap apps on App Store or Google Play Store and just open after you download it. So select edit photo here and select photo you want to edit. So how to use auto cutout? Just select cutout in the bottom and waiting for appear the option. So just select subject for remove the background. You can select background for remove the object like so as you like. For instance, I'm going to select subject for remove the background, so just click check mark, and you can also add the background. Just select fill and color. Like so. Okay, that's how to use auto cutout in Photoleap apps. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.